More than 70% of Earth's surface is covered by one important resource, water. And 95% of that is unexplored territory, leaving entire oceans of mystery before us. And this device is to amaze you to chasing that unexplored mystery. This device brings the underwater world to surface for everyone with the smallest, most portable, and affordable underwater drone ever. This is Dory by brand Chasing. This underwater drone has won the Red Dot Design Award in 2019. This Dory lies in its compact size and portability traveling size, just 1.1 kg. It is available in yellow color and it has a 4,800 mAh battery life of approximately 1 hour. Travelers can take it into a backpack and easily transport it wherever they want to use it. There is no bulky remote control with it, meaning less gear to haul. Instead, you simply control it with your own phone using the intuitive app. When you buy this amazing underwater drone, you will get a beautiful Dory underwater drone. Wi-Fi buoy, charger, tether. It comes with different outlet adapters and you can choose the proper plug for your region, and cleaning tool to clean. Before use, please check that it is fully charged. It will take 3 hours to charge completely, and once it completely charges, the LED indicator will turn green. The Wi-Fi buoy doesn't need to charge. Now attach tether between drone and buoy. When it connects successfully, you will listen chime sound and lights will turn on. Now go to your store and install Chasing Dory app. After installation, now go to your Wi-Fi setting and connect with Dory. Open your app and tap on Start to start Explore. Here is app functions. Dory is ideal for those who love to share their adventures on social media. The ability to easily post and live stream makes it a win-win for people who want to capture the moment for all their friends and followers to see. Depth lock lets you dive and remain at the precise depth you want so you can either idle or cruise with maximum stability. 45-degree tilt lock mode mimics the up and down movement of the human eye, providing the perfect angles of scan the ocean floor or peer up at the crystal water above. With screen sharing, live streaming and co-pilot friends and family can watch or help control your drive in real time on multiple wireless devices. But let's dive deeper. With its hydrodynamic design and shark-like precision, Dory can reach depths of over 49 feet. And with two built-in 250 lumen lights, the high-end camera has a 100-degree field of view for expansive photos and video. And its f1.6 wide aperture lens is ideal for low light situations. With 8 GB of storage capacity, you will have plenty of room to store your adventures. Its 3-axis gyro, accelerometer, compass and calibration system keep you positioned perfectly for all your voyages. Small, simple, smart. With Dory, it's in full, glorious view and commanded by you. Let's explore the next generation of aquatic wanderlust. Product purchase link is mentioned in the description. Please visit and get your Chasing Dory underwater drone in special discounted price.